fell. Is that your belt? Here in my garage. So we're literally in the garage.
Got my Lamborghini here.
And I got our 2 Lamborghinis here.
Well, I didn't want to record earlier because I had the garage open.
Lamborghini.
But now I just need to take the sway bar, strut bar, whatever bar, out from the top.
Chocolate bar.
So that way we're ready for when the part shows up. And it's kind of like, what is it? We might as well get some content.
Wow. Oh, and you took out the belly pan. It's dirty.
High performance.
Oh. Is it made out of titanium?
Look at the Harbor Freight snap-on.
Please sponsor us.
Where did I put it? Oh, carbon fiber this. So that way when you torque lug nuts, it's fast.
This is a Lamborghini.
Put that right there. Look at this lightweight hood because it's carbon fiber because we're always racing.
I'm pretty sure this is not safe.
What do you mean?
Here, let me give you a hand.
I'm pretty sure I need a thing.
Is your brakes on?
It's here's it.
I'm gonna go on the other side. You know, there's a better way of not commenting on people's posts thinking you know everything.
But they have to tell them. Like on those posts I see on like that I see on Facebook, there's always gonna be that guy, been doing this for years. You know there's a tool for that. Shut up. Who asked you? Or like when there's on a comedian's post. Well, actually, I should leave this in here because you'll see.
Oh,
Well, there's like
in it.
well, so, or do you want to just see why?
No.
As if I break that loose, the arm's gonna go like this.
How does it go?
Nothing.
It goes right.
What was I saying? Like when there's a comedian post. Let me get my other right. And there's always that guy that has to say, this person is not funny. Who the hell asked you? Even when there's a comedian that I don't think is funny, I don't remember anybody asking for my negative ass comment.
You can take that negativity and throw it out the door. Imagine if this was just a view.
What do you mean?
Well, I guess you'll see it when you edit it.
I think, well, when most people, you got that backyard guy trying to do the video, and then you just see like that.
Okay, so what are the steps to take out the sway bar?
He's gonna go like this, then we're gonna go like this.
You have what tools?
This stuff.
Okay, wow.
Well, we're here to do the pulley, and I know technically you don't need to take all this out, but I don't want to fight anything. Like you could sneak the pulley in through the side.
This is Cusco, by the way. Made in Japan.
Made in Japan. Made in Japan. Made in Japan.
Made in Japan. Made in Japan.
Made in Japan. Made in Japan. Made in Japan.
Made in Japan.
Are we listening to me?
Yep.
I don't want to drop anything.
Would you like me to hold something?
No, I'm gonna just put it right there. I'm gonna put it in the thing in a second. Look at this high performance bar. I think somebody posted, I saw like on a forum post that they actually did test, and it doesn't really do anything, but it looks so cool. It looks
Like
cool,
they did
but it's,
stress test or
I don't remember. I don't even
balance?
know. I don't even know what the guy's source was.
Oh.
So for all we know, that could be like, okay, guys, I tested this and it doesn't really do anything. Who am I?
What is this random hand of glove that you are not using?
No, that was there yesterday.
What?
Oh no, I'm losing structural rigidity.
It's not moving.
Huh? All right, and that's it.
Ta-da!
Well, the next part is I'm gonna just take the mount out.
Take the engine out. Take the supercharger out. Take the battery out.
Actually, I think I'll do that. No, but how has your car always been doing that?
I don't know.
Maybe I'll get a clip of it. If I don't, then I'll put me talking about it right here in the video.
Or if you don't have that, you can just put a paper clip on the screen.
No, but when I'm doing pulls, like, man. Well, but it feels like your clutch is slipping. No, it sounds like your clutch is slipping, but next thing you know...
Didn't we have this conversation like a month ago?
Yeah, that I haven't driven your car in a while.
Oh.
No, but it feels like your clutch... No, it sounds like your clutch is slipping, because when you shift, so you shift that red line, and then the RPMs drop down to 5, and then it holds at 5 for like a second.
Okay, so we took out the sway bar. Hooray! Also, garage tour coming soon.
Or
You'll get to see all these
or maybe I already
things.
posted it.
Or maybe you already posted it. If you do, the link is in the description. Lamborghini. Okay, here you go. Thank you.
All right, so the pulley came in. You got the new pulley here. Check it out, high performance only. Got the old one that fell off, which, I mean, I'm pretty sure this would have been fine, but would you trust selling pulley only fell off engine? And luckily, actually I need my flashlight. Where is, oh. Luckily, my dad came through with a bunch of wood blocks because I didn't realize that my jack wouldn't fit underneath to help hold up the motor. So we're gonna do this ghetto. So we got it like that. And it's late and I need to hurry up and do this. So sorry, I'm not one of those, okay, we're gonna film the whole thing. All right, we got the new pulley in. See right there, I'll put an arrow in the edits. Got the new pulley in, but I realized, so I kind of need to break the lower tensioner pulley bolt or pulley loose, and I can't exactly just lift up the car because the motor ain't held in right here. So we're gonna put that guy back in, lift up the car, break that guy over there loose, and hold the build. Okay, we got the lower pulley or tensioner pulley loose. Decided to take it out and reapply Loctite. And now we're gonna move on to the next step. We're gonna put the belt. We're gonna put the belt. What's the next step? Yeah, we're gonna put the belt. Probably gonna pull the engine mount back out so that way it's not that much of a pain in the ass. See, because with this guy, the way it's a pain in the ass. Okay. Okay, I don't know why I was fighting this belt for the world's longest time. Then the wife came over here and then we got the belt on.
That's because I do professional work.
Yes.
Yes.
Maybe that's the case. Maybe I'm not actually a mechanic. Anyways, and then we were putting the screw for the upper guide pulley right there. And I'm not saying I know where I put the bolt now. Oh, it's right here. I'm going to just assume that I wasn't paying attention and I put way too much Loctite because I was trying to tighten it down and it wouldn't tighten the pulley. And I ended up putting one of these guys. Or one of these guys instead of the original bolt. So now we have that guy in there, the guide pulley in there, the guide pulley torqued correctly. We got to go back with these engine mounts and then torque the bottom pulley and then put everything back together. And now it's time to eat real quick. Oh, gotta end like this. Right, look at me just story this on Instagram, but I'm just gonna do it again anyway. So we finished the belt. Oh, there. Finished the belt, the pulley, put everything back together. I would start the car right now, but I don't need the neighborhood complaining about the rice. Sick. So we're just gonna drive it to work tomorrow, and hopefully nothing else breaks. And then I guess the only other annoying thing is when I come back, I gotta retorque the belt per the Jackson Racing instructions.
Hey, follow the build!
Hey, follow the build.
We replaced the belt. We retorqued the belt tensioner. Now we're on that final road test. Performing extended road test to verify repair. We're gonna put down some rice. Real quick. Let's check. Let's check the belt. The supercharger belt right now. First gear pull. All right, let's put down the rice.